The Knowledge Channel Foundation joined the League of Corporate Foundations 2026 CSR Convention on February 4 and 5 in Cebu. The convention brought together organizations from different industries to exchange ideas, foster partnerships, and strengthen CSR programs. Edric Calma, KCFI Vice President and LCF Vice Chairperson, hosted the opening program and later moderated the first panel discussion. Resource speakers shared insights on community engagement, corporate responsibility, building credibility, and creating initiatives all aimed at empowering CSR units and corporate foundations. The event also launched the third CSR Medal of Recognition, honoring outstanding and impactful initiatives by non-LCF members. Submissions are open until April 13, 2026. Reach more, teach more with Knowledge Channel Foundation.